Transport Canada is leading the way with the integration of large remotely piloted aircraft systems, or drones, into Canadian airspace. Aircraft Services Directorate is conducting drone missions to develop beyond visual line of sight regulations for Canada. We work closely with Transport Canada regulators, NAV Canada, and air operators to safely integrate drones into busy airport operations. We've conducted drone missions off a Canadian Coast Guard icebreaker. We've mapped infrastructures and Arctic highways from the Yukon border to Tuktoyaktuk. We've conducted surveys for beluga whales in the Arctic Ocean and North Atlantic right whales in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. We're using artificial intelligence to identify endangered marine mammals. Transport Canada is bringing drone technology into the future of aviation in Canada.